Bengaluru will host the 6th India-France Annual Defence Dialogue on February 17th, placing the city at the center of high-level defence talks between the two countries. India's Defence Minister Rajnath Singh will hold discussion with the French Defence Minister Vautrin to strengthen bilateral defence cooperation. Several key outcomes are expected from the meeting. A major defence cooperation agreement is likely to be renewed for another 10 years. In addition, a memorandum of understanding for a joint venture to manufacture hammer missiles is expected to be signed. The two ministers are also expected to witness the virtual inauguration of the H125 Light Utility Helicopter Final Assembly Line by Tata Airbus at Bengaluru in Karnataka. The inauguration will be carried out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and French President Emmanuel Macron. The dialogue will review the entire range of defence ties with the focus on defence, manufacturing, industrial collaboration and increased military-to-military cooperation. An announcement is also expected for the reciprocal deployment of officers between the Indian Army and French land forces. Defence remains a key pillar of India-France relations. The two nations regularly conduct joint military exercises. Exercise Shakti with the Army, Exercise Varuna with the Navy and Exercise Garuda with the Air Force. This will be Catherine Vautrin's first visit to India since taking charges as France's defence minister, adding significance to the Bengaluru meeting.